Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Yaris backlight. First, gather your tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver and a new replacement bulb. It's crucial to ensure the new bulb is the correct type for your specific Yaris model to guarantee proper function and fit. Always work on a level surface with the engine off and the parking brake engaged for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Now, open your trunk to gain access to the back of the tail light assembly. You'll typically find 2 or 3 retaining screws that secure the assembly to the vehicle body. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place so they don't get lost. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the car, to release it from its clips. With the tail light assembly detached, locate the specific bulb holder for the backlight. Twist the bulb holder counterclockwise to unlock it from the assembly. Then, simply pull the old, faulty bulb straight out of its socket. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Push the new bulb firmly into the socket until it's secure, then reinsert the holder. Finally, carefully guide the tail light assembly back into its position on the vehicle, ensuring all clips align properly. Reinsert and tighten the 2 or 3 retaining screws you removed earlier. Before closing the trunk, turn on your vehicle's lights and check that the new backlight is working perfectly. This confirms a successful replacement. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.